What drives a king to transform into a nightingale forever haunted by his own actions? Enter the tale of Tereus, a Thracian king whose tragic downfall was sown by betrayal and violence. Having brutally assaulted Philomela, his sister-in-law, Tereus silenced her by severing her tongue. Yet, Philomela, undeterred, wove her story into a tapestry, revealing the crime to her sister Procne. Enraged, Procne enacted a harrowing revenge, leading the gods to transform Tereus into a nightingale. His perpetual song of lament now echoes through the ages, a haunting reminder of betrayal's price.